Okay guys, so welcome back to part 3 of I Need an Editor. I'm just going to run this down real quick for you guys, just so you can know what's basically going on. So I made a first part, and that was basically to try get as many people as I could, just to join the competition and tell them about it. Okay guys, welcome back to another video. So if you do edit, you can edit, or you want to edit, just watch this video and leave a comment saying you want to edit, and then if I can get 10 comments I'll make another video with a link to some footage that you can edit. And then the second part was just a quick brief of what it was and the deadline, and I gave you the video to edit. I'm going to put the link in the description for you to download the video. You can go edit that, and then I'll also put my email, and what you have to do is just email me your final video edit, and I'll pick someone to obviously edit a couple more of my videos, and it will be hopefully good to go. Well, I've had about, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, I've had 4 submissions, right, which is alright. I'm happy with that. Like, thank you so much for sending them in. I'm going to basically watch these submissions right now, in order from first to last, obviously. So the clip that I sent everyone is this one right here. Let me just play it for you right now. Lightsaber right here. Wheel, wheel, wheel. Bang. Boom. This is so sick. Slice, 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 and backflip. Okay, so yeah, that was it. So I asked basically everyone to edit that, so I got 4 back. So let's basically take a look at these 4 and let's see what they've done with it. We've got number 1 right here. I'm gonna click play now. Well, he's added the lightsaber. Fair play. Right here. Yeah. Mad. Yo. Oi. Just got shot. Boy, your mum gay? No. Can I cut your cheeks? Nah. Yo, I love this. Yo, I actually love this. And backflip. Nah, there's an end there. Oh, yo, that's actually so good. Yo, I love that. That's submitted by R. Thank you so much. That's sick. Yo, wait, let me just scroll back. Right, I love this bit where I'm like fucking slicing it up, mate. I love that. I was not expecting that at all. Slice. Cut your cheeks. Slice. Woof. Slice. Oh my god. 10 out of 10 for the backflip right there. Mad. I love your submission, man. Thank you so much. Awesome. We're on to number 2 right now. Number 2 was by The Rager. I've had him comment on my videos a couple times, so I guess this is him. Let's just check this out. I see you got by Power Director right there. Ooh, a bit laggy on the lightsaber. Ooh. I've cut my arm off. I've just cut my arm off. Love that. Let me just go back and watch that from the beginning. So what was that? Alright, so I've got my lightsaber. Yo, the intense bars are closing in. I see that. Oh, I've dropped lightsaber and I've cut my arm off. Oh my god. Bang. Damn, I'm shooting my own channel. Look at that. I'm running out of ideas. Come on, man. There's loads of stuff you can add. Yes! Love that. Cringe. Cringe this video. This is so sick. Electric powers. Mad. Slice. What's that? What is that there? The lightsaber again? Slice. Love that. And backflip. Backflip. Yes! I fucking love this. Let's go. He's got the backflip in there, but he's added so much more. Oi, demonetize. Oh, yeah, fuck. Oh, no. Great. Please pick me. Alright, I love that one, man. Yo, the Rager, that was sick. Yeah, that was awesome. Alright, let me just go through a couple bits here. Wait, where's the... Wait, where's the dance? Where's the dance? The dance. Oh, I love that dance, man. Right here.
It's something about the girl.
Love that. I love that. Oh my god. They're both so good. First and second, amazing. Like, thank you so much for spending your time to, like, do that stuff. That's actually insane. That's amazing. Okay, let's go to number 3 right now, by George. I know George. He's my friend, I think. Anyway, yeah, he's my friend, and let's just watch this right now. Alright, 3, 2, 1, play. Lightsaber right here. Bang, bang. Ooh. Bang. Let's go. What? It's getting so quick. Yo. Mad. Love that. I love that. And there's not a lot of special effects, but I love that. You've gone for a different approach right there. And that's what I like about it. That's what I like about it. Favourite part? It's got to be the bit where it went really quick. Like this bit here, look. And it goes, ready, and... Love that. Slice. That's my favourite bit, alright? So thanks, George. Thank you for submitting that. It's amazing. All of them have been amazing so far. This is going to be so hard to pick. I hope you guys know that I'm going to basically pick the editor, but I'm not going to be like paying them or anything. Is that alright? Because I don't have the money at the moment to pay you. But I might, you know, if I get popular, I might pay you. You never know, alright? Alright, on to the last one right now. This is Alfie's, okay? I'm expecting good things, right? I saved this to last because best till last, you know? Ooh, I like this intro. This is looking good. Whoa! I like this song. Let's hope it's non-copyright. Man's upside down. Oh, yeah, there's a gun. Boom. I can see this as a music video. This effect is like really good for that. Nice. Oh, he's got the credits in there as well. Directed by Alfie Salvi. Amazing. Wicked. Oh, he's got starring Josh Robinson as well. Look at that. Keep it going, mate. Keep it going. What else we got? Filmed on location, Josh's house. That's right. My house. Thank you so much. That was soundtrack by Rock Aliens. Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Amazing. I love this submission. It's great. Yeah, I love them all, mate. Absolutely amazing. I will pick a winner. Alright, so I've got a lot of respect for number 1, just because he's added so many special effects and he's actually spent a little bit of time on the video to make it, like, you know, look pretty good, you know, with the chopping and, you know, lightsaber. I love that sort of stuff, right? It's amazing. It made me laugh a couple times, which is also good, right? So, and then we get on to number 2. Number 2 was also good. It added them special effects. It was amazing, but I didn't laugh as much, I don't think. But it was still amazing, you know. It made me laugh, right? It still did make me laugh, even though number 1, I think, had more special effects, more gags and stuff like that. Anyway, number 3, alright, we've got George's. I love the way you've done that, mate. You've literally turned a comedy sketch into a thriller, right? You've done something there to make it absolutely different, right? So, completely different. It's like, it's a different thing altogether. Like, I didn't even film it. Anyway, I love that. I love your edit. It's amazing, right? Okay, next we've got number 4. Alfie, your video was pretty good, right? For your age, I know how old you are, it's really good, okay? You know, I like the music you've added, I like the effects you've done, I like you've made me upside down, that's pretty sick. So, yeah, big up Alfie, you've done really well, mate. You sorted it out, you've done well, alright? Now I've just got to pick a winner out of these 4. It's going to be so hard because they're all so good, basically. Okay, if I had a list, right, and I looked through the effects and everything, and the ones that made me laugh, I'd probably go with... Unfortunately, Alfie, yours is at the bottom. I'm sorry, Alf, yours is at the bottom. But that is only because there's other people better than you. But it's also, you had it's a good video, right? You've done really well, all right? So, but you're number 4, I'm sorry. Number 3, I'd say it's got to be number 2, I'm sorry. I know it was quite like number 1, but you know, I like the effects you've added. You've done really well to add them. Tracking is amazing. I like how you've cut my arm off. That's insane. I didn't expect that at all, right? I like that, but I'm sorry, I'm gonna put you in number 3. Number 2, I'm gonna go for George because he was thinking outside the box 100%, like completely. He didn't add any effects or anything, which is sick. Well, you know, added effects, but not like a lightsaber and stuff, but it's still awesome because you literally took your own path, followed it, and stuck with it and completed it, you know. I like that. I like that stuff. So yeah, that means number 1 is going to be R, which is the first submission anyway, which is amazing. I loved your stuff. I loved your edits. So I'm going to contact you, the details, or just comment down below on my video. And just put your Discord or something, and then I'll text you or something. We can organise editing and stuff like that. Alright, I think that's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. That is amazing that you guys actually entered into my competition. I really appreciate you guys for doing so. Comment on the video what your favourite submission was, and like the video down below. Subscribe if you are new. We are so close to hitting like 260. It will be amazing if we can do that. And yeah, new video coming out soon. I don't know when, but I'll sort it out. My name's Josh Robinson, and peace. Lightsaber right here. Wheel, wheel, wheel. This is so sick. Slice, 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 and backflip.